Yeah. They told us we came from nowhere. He refused that lie. He was not a king, not a general in the street, just a son of the forgotten, with history at his feet. In libraries of silence, where our faces were erased, he held a lantern in the dark and gave the past a place. He said, if we do not remember, we do not survive. So he wrote us into tomorrow with ink that stayed alive.
Oh, Carter G. Woods, keeper of the flame, you gave us back our stories, you gave us back our names.
From 1 week in February to a world that finally sees, you did not just teach history, you planted memory. They called us only shadows, only chains, only pain. But you uncovered kingdoms in the marrow of our veins. Not just famous men in portraits, but the mother's hands in songs, the builders of civilizations who knew where they belonged. You whispered through the years, we were never born to disappear.
Oh, Carter G. Woods, keeper of the flame, you gave us back our stories, you gave us back our names.
And every child who rises with pride inside their chest, proof that what you started will never come to rest. From Harlem down to Accra, from Kingston to the Cape, one heartbeat across oceans, one soul we could not break. Ubuntu sings, I am because we are. And you made that true a star.
Oh, Carter G. Woods, the man who fought the fight, who turned erased beginnings
into everlasting light. And when the future asks us who carried us through pain, speak your name like a prayer. Carter, keeper of the flame. Not a month, a return. Not a celebration, resurrection.
Oh.